So you finally landed a client. Congratulations. But before you start creating content or running ads, you need a smooth onboarding process. Without it, projects can get really messy, expectations unclear, and payments delayed. In this video, I will walk you through my exact client onboarding process as a freelance social media manager from the first yes to the moment I start posting. These are proven steps that make clients trust me and keep coming back. The step 1, the welcome email and discovery call. The moment a client says yes, I send a friendly welcome email. I thank them for choosing me. I share a link to book a discovery call where we talk about your brand goals, target audience, and social media challenges. On the call, I ask key questions like what platforms bring you the most engagement? Who is your ideal customer? What is your content style, formal or playful? This stage builds rapport and shows I am organized and professional. Step 2, proposal and contract. After the call, I create a detailed proposal that covers 1, the services I provide, such as the content creation, scheduling, engagement, and so on. 2, deliverables and timelines. 3, monthly fee and payment terms. Once the client approves, I send a contract. Contracts protect both of us and outline clear expectations. No confusion would take place after that, okay? Then I move to step 3, invoice and payment. I send an invoice for the first payment before starting work. Getting at least 50% upfront is standard for freelancer. This confirms commitment and ensures the client values the work. Step 4, brand questionnaire and asset collection. Before creating content, I send a brand questionnaire or Google form to collect brand colors, fonts, and logos, access to social media accounts or admin roles, past content samples, and their best performing posts. This ensures my content stays on brand and that I have all necessary login details securely stored. Step 5, strategy session and content calendar. Now comes the fun part. Strategy. I create a 30 days content calendar based on our discovery call and questionnaire. It includes content pillars such as educational, entertainment, testimonials, promotions, depending on the pillars I'll be using or picking. 2, posting schedules and platform specific content. 3, suggested visuals and captions. I go ahead to share this in this calendar via Google Drive so the client can review and approve. Step 6, communication plan. Once the content calendar is approved, we schedule a kickoff meeting to align on goals and KPIs. I also set up a communication channel. It could be WhatsApp, Slack, or email, depending on the client I'm working with. Step 5, first week we check in. Finally, after the first week of posting, I do a check-in call to review analytics and address any concerns my clients have. This shows the client that I am tracking results and open to feedback. That's my complete client onboarding process as a freelance social media manager. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which of these steps will you add to your own process? Your first impression matters. This onboarding system will make you look like a pro from day one. See you in my next video. Bye.